Mommy Marites. I'm back from my vacation in the Philippines. How's everybody? Good? Okay, well, I brought you guys something, okay? I have some lumpia and pancit for everyone. Hey, Mr. Smith, what's up? You're scared of the kids in your bathroom? But you're not scared to refuse your medication when I give it to you. Go back to sleep. Hey, Mr. Smith, take your medication. Ay, Mr. Smith, don't throw that on me. I'm telling you, this is more stronger than that, My dear, what level are you in Candy Crush? Can you help me get out of this level? Here. Yes, my sweetheart. Mr. Smith tried to threaten you. Oh, let me handle it for you. Okay, Mr. Smith, well, we've taken all your pain medication and you still have a little bit of pain. Oh, let's try this one. Vicks Vapor Rub. Have you ever tried it before? Ay, nako, I'm telling you right now, it's really good. It cures my arthritis pain, my cough, my fever, my daughter's Crohn's disease, everything. Cure. This one. Hello, fuck you. No, I'm not cursing you. This is fuck you. No, it's not that. It's not bad word, okay? It's fuck you. Post anesthesia care unit. Just Maria Josep. Yeah, fuck you.